Good afternoon, children. So today we will be studying about the agriculture part, how it developed through these 5-year plans. What we studied in the earlier chapter, that during the British rule, agriculture was commercialized. There was zamindari system, means there were intermediaries who used to collect huge lagan from the tillers of the soil. Tillers and owners means owners of the soil means those who own the land. Tillers means who is working on the field. So the zamindars used to collect lagan from the tillers of the soil. Productivity was low, and that is why India had to depend on USA for the supply of food grains, as agriculture was commercialized in India. So the agriculture sector accounted for the largest share of workforce, with about 70 to 75%, because handicrafts industry was suffering, jute industry, cotton industry was suffering. So we study that due to mass employment, people were rushing towards the agriculture sector, and thus 70 to 75% of the people were dependent on the agriculture sector. So agriculture development was focused right from the first 5-year plan. Okay, just to make India self-independent in food grains, so that India does not have to depend on USA for the food grains. Now, features or problems of agriculture. First was low productivity. Indian agriculture suffered low productivity. Lack of knowledge was responsible for stagnation of this sector. So it was first, British people did not do any kind of development for the tillers of the soil, and that is why there was low productivity. Moreover, agriculture was commercialized. Now, lack of knowledge. People were not aware about how to improve the production, how they can increase their output, agriculture output. Moreover, next, disguised unemployment. It refers to state in which more people are engaged in work than are really needed. There was very high incidence of disguised unemployment in the sector during 1950 and 1990. So, disguised unemployment refers to a state. This you have studied in your 9 and 10 classes also, that suppose in a piece of land 4 laborers are needed, but 8 laborers are working. So those extra 4 laborers, their productivity is 0 on the land, but they are still working. So those 4 are under disguised unemployment. So that was going on in India during 1950s and 1990s. Means as the full workforce from the handicraft, cotton, jute, textile was moving to that sector, there was heavy pressure on land, more than what was needed. So it was suffering from disguised unemployment. Next was high dependency on rainfall. Due to poor agricultural techniques, there was no irrigation facilities, no irrigation works were taken.